You know, one of the nice things about the Israeli army, that if you have a house, and this house is built for only civilian use, by the way, and the walls are like 3 meters concrete thick, and you build it underground, and it's secure, it's very secure, until the Israeli soldiers, they come and they screw you, and they screw your 3-meter wall, literally. Look what they are doing. Those are the maintenance team of the Israeli army who came voluntarily to fix Hamas main headquarters. How they fix it? Free screwing, free drilling, and then a free what? Let us see.
What's that? No,
interesting. Look, for free. Even they are putting nice paint. I think they are using lipstick. What this guy is doing? Oh, it's not deep enough. Oh, okay. And look, they are romantic. They are there's no electricity. Oh, what they are doing now? Oops. Oh, oops. Oops.